Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, how are you? I'm happy, I'm glad, I'm okay, I'm great. Today we are going to learn science. Okay, science. Last week kita dah belajar farm animals. Kan? Farm animals. Haiwan ternakan. Kita dah belajar kan haiwan ternakan. Ada itik, duck, quack quack quack. Ada cock and hen, ayam jantan, ayam betina, cock and hen, kok 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 kok. Ada goat, kambing, baa. Ada horse, kuda, neh. Ada sheep, kambing biri-biri, baa. Ada cow, lembu, moo. Okay, minggu ni, this week, kita nak belajar anggota badan haiwan. Minggu lepas kita dah belajar farm animals. This week, we are going to learn parts of the animal. Okay? Okay, mula-mula sekali cikgu nak tunjuk bahagian the parts of a cow. Bahagian lembu. Okay, first, look here. What is this? Telinga. Ear. Telinga lembu. Ear. What is this? Kepala. Head. Kepala, head. Okay, what is this? Ya, ada 4 ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. Kaki. Cow has 4 legs. Okay, and then what is this? Ekor. Tail. Ekor. Okay, one more time. First, ear, telinga, head, kepala, leg, kaki, tail, ekor. Okay, this is part of a cow. Bahagian lembu. Kalau bahagian contohnya kuda. Kuda pun ada ear, telinga, head, kepala, leg, kaki, tail, ekor. Okey, sekarang ni cikgu nak tunjuk ni. Zirafah. Ada ear, telinga. Ada head, kepala, head. Ada leg, kaki, leg. Ada tail, ekor, tail. Lepas tu cikgu nak tunjuk unta, camel. Camel ada ear, telinga. Kecil je telinga dia, ear. Ada head, kepala, Ada leg, kaki. Ada tail, ekor, tail. Camel. Sekarang ni cikgu nak tunjuk beza kalau manusia punya patung. Siapa manusia? Cikgu, awak pun manusia kan? Kalau patung, manusia dengan haiwan lain kan? Kalau manusia ada ear. Okay, ada ear. Lepas tu head. Ada head. Leg. Ada leg. Tapi tail. Ada ekor tak? Tak ada. Manusia tak ada ekor. Animals. Haiwan je ada ekor. Okay? Okay, kita ulang lagi sekali. What is this? Ear. Okay, ear. Telinga. What is this? Head. Kepala. Okay, good. What is this? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Leg. Leg. Kaki. Leg. Okay, good. What is this? Tail. Okay, good. Tail. Ekor. Okay. Nanti jangan lupa buat quiz dekat online tu, okay? Bye.